Hello guys, and welcome into a new point of view driving episode on this Sunday, April, with a genuine blizzard outside. The winter has come once again. And it will be like this for about 1 week. 1 week from now on. Wait until we get outside. And you shall see exactly how it is. And oh, right now it's maybe a bit better, but just a few moments ago it was snowing all over the place. And now it's all cleared, but you can see how the sky is right there, half clear, half clouded, and right here it's filled with snow. I mean, you can see it right here on the street. This isn't rain, it was all snow. Well, it's a good thing that it stopped, at least for now, because I will make another video to show you this. One of the Osram Nightbreaker 220 burned out. It's the one from the right of the car. After not even 6 months, maybe, let's say 6 months tops, but I don't think I used them so much. I will see exactly when I reviewed them last year when they were launched. I kept them on the car just for, let's say, a short period of time, 2 weeks the most, and after I finished all the tests, the double light meter tests, just to be sure I got the numbers right. I took them down and kept the Hikari dark necks. They were awesome, and the only thing that made me take the LEDs down as well was the fact that in late October 2024 I had to pass the MOT, the yearly inspection, the technical inspection for my car. And with the LEDs, of course, I couldn't go there. And that is the moment when I put the Osram 220 on once again. And from 25 October until today, let's see that, I even forgot what day it is. Okay, so 6th of April, so the beginning of April, about 5 months and a half. Yeah, so October, late October, November, December, January, February, and March. 5 full months, and again, as I told you, 5 months and 2 or 5 months and 3 weeks. That is how much this halogens lasted. It's really a big disappointment. Another one. And all good, all worst, or all bad towards good. This will be a reason to test the latest LEDs from Hikari, made under the Luxter brand, which I didn't have time to review. I have them for quite some months, and I will review them with this occasion. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I wish you all the best. Please follow me on my channel. I will next post the video to show you exactly that what I told you is the truth, and I'll catch you in the next episodes. Take care wherever you are, and bye bye.